This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by recording the given HCF, call it H, and LCM, call it L. Once done, compute the product P equals H times L. That product equals the product of the two numbers you seek. Next, express the unknown integers as H and HB so they share H as common factor. Make sure A and B are coprime. That condition is essential because GCD, A, B must be 1, which ensures the LCM formula will work cleanly. Now divide P by H squared to obtain the product A times B equals H A times HB slash H2 equals P slash H2. Then list factor pairs of that quotient and test each pair for GCD equal to 1. Only coprime pairs are valid. Once you find a coprime pair, assign A and B accordingly. Also consider relative sizes or additional clues from the problem to select the correct ordering, if both orders fit. Both number pairs are acceptable, but you usually pick the pair matching any extra constraints. Finally, compute the two integers as n1 equals h and n2 equals hb using your chosen coprime factors. Immediately verify by computing their HCF and LCM. The HCF must equal h and the LCM must equal L. If either check fails, pause and reevaluate the factor pair. Ensure A and B are indeed coprime and you divided P by H squared correctly. If factorization mistakes persist, recompute prime factor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.